So your color, I'm slowly building up some darks here, going from light to dark. Here's a blue over here, and I like that. I want a little purple in here, and blue. There's a little stronger, too strong maybe. Soften that down a little bit. And I'm going to get some cobalt in there. Now is when I'm getting the payoff for having wet my color earlier, because the colors are pretty wet. They're pretty malleable. I can use them. Another thing we haven't talked about here yet this morning, when you put watercolor down, it's going to dry lighter than what you put down. And it can drive you crazy in the beginning. You have to anticipate and make your color maybe 20% darker than you think you should, and then they'll dry about where you want them. That's kind of a practice thing, but in general, that's a good guideline for you.